Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Mike here, Mike's Drones and More, guys. And today we're flying the MultiGP Regional South Central Qualifier. So I've been flying most of the day today. We did have some rain, so I had to tape up one of my small drones so that way it was waterproof, kind of. So, but we've been having some good times here. I've got some video footage for you guys. So, but we'll go ahead and flip the camera so you guys can see. So here we are at the pit area, and you can see we've got a ton of racers out today. We've got about 48 racers, and we've got 6 rounds or 6 heats with 8 racers each. So a lot of people are racing today. We got that going on, and a whole bunch of racers going all that way down too. So it's been a really good day. So I'll show you guys some flight footage and some pictures, and hopefully you enjoy.
We'll pause the action halfway through the race. At the end of the race, before the raffle, we'll all walk the track, make sure everything's clean. That goes through the pits as well. Let's try to make sure we keep everything up. We've tried to put a bunch of garbage bags as we can down the pits. If you can't find a garbage bag, let us know. We'll add one near you. Another thing with the track, there is a fire extinguisher at the far end over there. If for any reason today...